Welcome everyone, we're back with another topic on Data Archiving 101 with Mark. Today we're going to discuss on-premise file servers. As technology has matured, more and more businesses are well on their way to leveraging the benefits of the cloud. Contrary to file servers, the cloud allows easy scalability, enhanced mobility and collaboration between offices at a fraction of on-premise costs. So welcome back, Mark, to today's topic.
Hi, Laura.
Let's get started with today's questions. So businesses are adopting cloud computing processes. However, it's not an easy initiative. Cloud migration introduces new challenges. Do we have many clients that are inquiring about moving away from on-premise?
Yeah, we do, especially with our clients who are moving to the Office 365 suite. I think that's the catalyst to look at the traditional on-prem file server and migrate that into some of the applications that Microsoft is offering, like SharePoint or OneDrive, using Teams for collaboration. So yeah, most people have definitely started the conversation about migrating from traditional file servers to an online platform.
Okay, and do we have many organizations that want to stay on premise, and what do you generally say to them?
Yeah, I think probably about 50% of our clients are still staying the traditional route. Same type of best practice rules apply. You know, you need to know you need to manage your data, you need to understand it. Mm-hmm. The complexity of the migration to the cloud is probably what's slowing some of the organizations in taking that leap. Okay,
and that kind of brings me on to my next question. What are the main challenges of migrating? Obviously, complexity is one.
Well, the first thing is it's that the scale of your data, which is unknown. So, you know, the first question is going to be, what are we going to bring? We don't want to bring everything. We don't know what to bring, so we need to learn that first. Then we need to understand, well, where is my data currently? If I don't know that, I can't move it. Do we still need the data once we've identified it? Who's using it? What is the mechanism that the users are going to access this in the future? Is there an opportunity to don't bring unnecessary data or reduce our footprint, saving time and money before we do that? And then obviously from a project point of view and a disruption point of view, when is this migration going to take place? When is the best time to do it?
Okay, and how can your business save money by moving to the cloud, or is that something perhaps like ourselves can help with using the likes of Syskin?
Well, yeah, so there's significant savings to be made because of the scalability of the cloud solutions in play, and also because they're SaaS models. So especially from a capital cost point of view, we don't need to buy 10 terabytes of data because we anticipate filling it in 5 years' time. We can scale as we grow. So from that point of view, commercially, it can make sense for an organization.
Okay. And what are the main benefits of moving to the cloud from on-premise? You've probably covered a good few of these now as well already.
Yeah, and I think, you know, it's the intelligence in the containers that they're living in now. You know, it is scalable, it gives you collaboration, global collaboration, it gives you enhanced intelligence like indexing, as opposed to the traditional storage devices we've used up to now in IT.
Okay. So what would you say to an organization if they are thinking of migrating to the cloud? What should they do first?
I think they need help answering the questions I posed earlier. So, you know, we have Syskin, which can be a product that an organization could use to answer those questions. Syskin helps us answer, well, what do I have? Where is it? Who is using it currently? When was the last time somebody accessed this? Have I got multiple copies? It can be the conduit to analyze and learn your data, reduce the unnecessary data prior to migration, and then be the conduit to move it from traditional file servers to the new repositories, shrinking projects from months down to weeks or even days.
Okay. And then have any final tips on the topic for today?
I suppose for me, this is a significant change to your organization and your end user. So us IT people can be guilty of a process that we think is relatively simple to adopt may not necessarily be that way for end users. So take the time to make sure your end users are fully prepped for the changes that are about to come, and don't assume because a bunch of people working in a project team for months understand the changes and would intuitively know what to do next, that 100 or 1,000 end users aren't going to know the same thing. You know, prep and do the training, do your homework so that the end users are part of that transition.
Okay, great. Thanks, Mark, for sharing your knowledge with us today.
No problem, Laura.
I think that concludes our topic on on-premise file servers. If anybody has any questions, you can visit the website on www.waterfordtechnologies.com and you can pop us a question on there. Okay, thanks a million.
Cheers, Laura. See you, everybody. See you next time.